Title slide. Welcome, students. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the impact of pollution on our beautiful islands in the Maldives. Our presentation, Understanding Pollution in the Maldives, aims to shed light on the importance of taking care of our environment. As responsible citizens, we hold the key to preserving the natural beauty that surrounds us. Introduction. Let's start by getting to know the Maldives, a breathtaking archipelago with pristine beaches, vibrant marine life, and a unique ecosystem. However, with great beauty comes great responsibility. It's crucial to understand the significance of environmental care. By the end of this presentation, we hope you'll be inspired to play an active role in protecting our beloved Maldives. Types of pollution. Pollution comes in various forms, affecting the air we breathe, the water that surrounds us, and the land beneath our feet. Air pollution from burning waste and vehicle emissions, water pollution from harbors and improper waste disposal, and land pollution from littering and landfills are all issues we need to address. Each of us plays a part in finding solutions for a cleaner, healthier environment. Pollution in roads. Our roads, essential for transportation, are not immune to pollution. Vehicle emissions and littering contribute to the degradation of air and land quality. As responsible citizens, let's explore ways to reduce our carbon footprint, practice responsible waste disposal, and work towards cleaner, safer roads for everyone. Pollution on beaches. The picturesque beaches of the Maldives face threats from pollution, particularly plastic waste and improper disposal. This affects not only the scenic beauty but also the delicate ecosystems that thrive along our shores. Together, we can make a difference by adopting sustainable practices and participating in beach cleanup initiatives. Landfills. Improper waste disposal in landfills poses a significant threat to our environment. Understanding the consequences and promoting recycling can help reduce the burden on landfills. Let's explore ways to minimize waste generation and embrace sustainable practices for the well-being of our islands. Harbors and water pollution. Harbors are vital for our economy, but they can contribute to water pollution. Proper waste disposal for boats and ships is crucial to maintaining the health of our marine life. Let's learn about responsible practices to ensure the cleanliness of our waters and protect the rich biodiversity that resides beneath the surface. Playgrounds and public spaces. Even our playgrounds and public spaces are not immune to pollution. Littering in these areas not only affects cleanliness but also sets a negative example for future generations. Let's instill a sense of responsibility, encouraging each other to keep our shared spaces clean through mindful actions and community cleanup efforts. How can we help? As individuals, we have the power to make a positive impact. Simple steps like reducing waste, using reusable items, and practicing proper waste disposal can contribute to a cleaner environment. Let's explore actionable ways in which each of us can play a role in preserving the beauty of the Maldives. Conclusion. In conclusion, our journey through understanding pollution in the Maldives has revealed the challenges we face and the actions we can take. By summarizing key points and emphasizing the collective responsibility we hold, we hope to inspire you to become stewards of our environment. Together, we can ensure a sustainable and thriving future for the Maldives. Title: Habitats around the world. This is the main title of our presentation, and it tells us that we're going to talk about the diverse places where different animals live across the globe. Subtitle: Exploring where animals live. The subtitle provides more insight. It means we're embarking on a journey to explore, discover, and learn interesting facts about the homes of animals worldwide. What is a habitat? A habitat is like a specialized home or neighborhood for animals and plants. It's the place where they find everything they need to live happily, including food, water, and a safe shelter. Similar to how you have your own home, animals and plants also have unique and special places to live. Forest introduction. Picture a vast, green forest bustling with life. It serves as a home for various animals like bears, squirrels, and birds, creating a vibrant and diverse community. Features. In the forest, towering trees reach up to the sky, a carpet of diverse plants covers the ground, and streams with flowing water provide a refreshing habitat for animals. Ocean habitat. Ocean introduction. Now, let's submerge ourselves in a deep blue ocean. It's like a bustling neighborhood for countless fish, playful dolphins, and serene sea turtles. Features. The ocean boasts an abundance of water, vibrant coral reefs where fish explore, and long, swaying seaweed that contributes to a unique and fascinating underwater world. Desert habitat. Desert introduction. Imagine a scorching hot desert with endless stretches of sand. It's a home for creatures like camels, slithering snakes, and unique cacti adapted to survive in this harsh environment. Features. Deserts have soft, warm sand, massive rocks scattered around, and temperatures that can become extremely hot during the day. Polar habitat. Polar introduction. Let's journey to a super cold place, like the North and South Poles. Polar bears, waddling penguins, and sleek seals call these icy regions home. Features. Polar habitats are blanketed in ice and snow, and the temperatures are freezing cold. Special adaptations like thick fur or blubber help these animals stay warm. Grassland habitat. Grassland introduction. Grasslands are like vast fields covered with endless green grass. Animals like majestic lions, striped zebras, and gentle elephants make these grasslands their home. Features. You'll find tall grass swaying in the breeze, expansive plains where animals roam freely, and sometimes, a solitary tree standing tall in the grasslands. Conclusion. We've embarked on a fascinating journey exploring the incredible homes of animals. It's crucial to appreciate and care for their homes, just as we do for ours. Each habitat is unique and plays a vital role in helping animals and plants thrive. Fun facts. Here are some intriguing and entertaining facts about the animals and places we discussed. For example, did you know that polar bears have white fur to help them blend in with the snow? Thank you. A heartfelt thank you for joining our adventure to explore habitats. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed learning about where animals live and gaining a deeper understanding of the amazing world we live in. Conclusion. We've embarked on a fascinating journey exploring the incredible homes of animals. It's crucial to appreciate and care for their homes, just as we do for ours. Each habitat is unique and plays a vital role in helping animals and plants thrive. Fun facts. Here are some intriguing and entertaining facts about the animals and places we discussed. For example, did you know that polar bears have white fur to help them blend in with the snow? Thank you. A heartfelt thank you for joining our adventure to explore habitats. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed learning about where animals live and gaining a deeper understanding of the amazing world we live in.
Climate change is a significant and lasting shift in Earth's typical weather patterns. It has far-reaching consequences for both living and non-living elements of our environment. Throughout this presentation, we'll delve into the various ways climate change affects our world. Introduction. Climate change is a critical issue because it disrupts the places where animals and plants live, alters the weather patterns we are used to, and even impacts our health. By understanding these effects, we can work collaboratively to implement positive changes for the well-being of our planet. Overview of climate change. Climate change arises from a combination of human activities, like burning fossil fuels, and natural occurrences such as volcanic eruptions. The result is a rise in Earth's temperature, leading to alterations in weather patterns, including more intense storms and prolonged periods of heat. Global warming is akin to our planet having a fever. Greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, act like a heat-trapping blanket around Earth, causing an increase in its temperature. This warming leads to various problems, such as the melting of ice caps and changes in weather patterns that can adversely affect plants, animals, and human populations. The greenhouse effect is comparable to a snug blanket enveloping Earth, trapping some of the sun's heat to keep our planet warm. However, an excess of greenhouse gases, like adding too many blankets, results in undesirable consequences such as unpredictable weather patterns and rising sea levels. Ozone, situated high above Earth, acts as a protective shield against the sun's harmful rays. Human activities, especially the use of certain chemicals like CFC gases, can damage this shield. The repercussions include an increased risk of skin cancers and harm to ecosystems where various plants and animals reside. The ozone layer is a region of the Earth's stratosphere that contains a high concentration of ozone, O3, molecules. Ozone plays a crucial role in absorbing the majority of the sun's harmful ultraviolet, UV, radiation. Causes of ozone depletion, CFC gases. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, released from human activities, such as refrigerants and aerosol propellants, rise to the stratosphere. In the stratosphere, CFCs break down due to UV radiation, releasing chlorine atoms that catalytically destroy ozone molecules. Consequences for living organisms and the environment. Increased UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface can lead to higher rates of skin cancer in humans and harm marine life, such as phytoplankton. Adverse effects on terrestrial ecosystems, including damage to crops, reduction in the productivity of phytoplankton, and disruptions in the food chain. The impact of climate change on biodiversity is profound. Animals and plants must adapt to shifting conditions, and many face challenges in this process. Polar bears, for instance, grapple with the loss of their icy habitats, and amphibians encounter difficulties with the changing temperatures affecting their ecosystems. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can alter the habitats of many species, leading to shifts in their distribution. Some species may struggle to adapt, resulting in a loss of biodiversity, particularly among more specialized and vulnerable organisms. Changes in ecosystems. Shifts in climate conditions can affect ecosystems, with consequences for the balance of predator-prey relationships and the availability of resources. Coral reefs, for example, are highly sensitive to temperature changes, leading to coral bleaching events and impacting the entire reef ecosystem. Examples of vulnerable species. Polar bears are at risk due to the melting of Arctic sea ice, which they rely on for hunting. Amphibians, already facing threats, are susceptible to climate-induced changes in temperature and moisture, affecting their habitats and life cycles. Rising sea levels. As Earth's temperature rises, ice melts, contributing to a rise in sea levels. This phenomenon poses a threat to coastal areas, densely populated by humans. Rising seas can result in flooding, damaging homes, disrupting water supplies, and necessitating the relocation of communities to safer grounds. Extreme weather events. Climate change intensifies extreme weather events, including hurricanes and droughts. These occurrences pose significant dangers and create problems for communities, from the destruction of homes to disruptions in agricultural practices, affecting the ability to grow food. Human health impacts. Changes in climate have direct implications for human health. The increase in heat waves raises the risk of heat-related illnesses, and alterations in climate can facilitate the spread of diseases as new areas become conducive to disease-carrying insects. Mitigation strategies. Addressing climate change involves mitigating the factors contributing to its acceleration. This includes transitioning to renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power, as well as participating in international agreements like the Paris Agreement, which outlines global efforts to combat climate change. Adaptation strategies focus on finding ways to coexist with the changes climate change brings. Embracing sustainable practices such as recycling and responsible resource usage, along with collaborative efforts between communities and governments, can create effective plans to navigate the challenges posed by climate change. In conclusion, climate change is a formidable challenge, but it is not insurmountable. By gaining a comprehensive understanding of its multifaceted effects and taking collective action, we have the power to protect our planet and ensure a more sustainable and resilient future for all living organisms.
Welcome to the Weather and Climate presentation. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the wonders of Earth's atmosphere, gaining insights into the factors that shape our daily weather and long-term climate patterns. Introduction. Weather versus climate. Distinguishing between these terms is crucial. Weather refers to the day-to-day atmospheric conditions we experience, while climate represents the long-term average of these patterns. Understanding these fundamental concepts lays the foundation for appreciating the dynamic nature of Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is a complex system comprising distinct layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Each layer plays a unique role in influencing climate and contributing to the variety of weather phenomena we observe. Factors influencing weather. Temperature is intricately linked to the sun's energy, air pressure undergoes changes with variations in altitude, and humidity measures the presence of water vapor in the air. These interrelated factors collaboratively create the diverse and ever-changing weather conditions that shape our daily lives. Elements of weather. Temperature, measured in Celsius and Fahrenheit, serves as a fundamental indicator of atmospheric conditions. Precipitation encompasses a range of forms, including rain, snow, sleet, and hail, significantly impacting our local weather. Wind, characterized by the movement of air, contributes to the dynamic nature of our atmospheric experiences. Instruments for measuring weather. Essential instruments like thermometers, barometers, hygrometers, and anemometers play pivotal roles in quantifying and understanding various aspects of weather. These tools enable meteorologists and scientists to collect valuable data, aiding in the prediction and analysis of atmospheric conditions. Weather symbols. Weather symbols are integral for communicating forecasted conditions. These symbols visually represent elements such as sunny days, rainy weather, cloud cover, and windy conditions. Understanding these symbols enhances our ability to interpret and prepare for upcoming weather changes. Climate zones. Earth is divided into distinct climate zones: tropical, temperate, and polar. Each zone is characterized by specific temperature and precipitation patterns. A world map showcasing these zones provides a visual representation of Earth's climatic diversity. Climate factors. Latitude significantly influences climate, with areas closer to the equator experiencing warmer temperatures. Altitude, or elevation above sea level, plays a crucial role in determining local climate conditions. Proximity to water bodies, such as oceans and seas, moderates temperatures and influences regional climates. Effects of climate change. Human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, contribute to climate change. The impact includes rising global temperatures, extreme weather events, and disruptions to ecosystems. Emphasizing the importance of reducing our carbon footprint is crucial for mitigating these effects. Conclusion. In conclusion, we've delved into the dynamic realm of weather and climate, unraveling the intricate interplay of factors shaping our atmospheric experiences. From the layers of the atmosphere to the elements influencing daily weather, we've explored the fundamental components of Earth's climate system. Understanding climate zones, the impact of human activities on climate change, and intriguing weather phenomena enriches our appreciation for the wonders of nature. As we wrap up, let's carry forward this newfound knowledge, fostering a sense of awe and responsibility for our planet's delicate atmospheric balance. Thank you for joining this exploration of Earth's atmospheric marvels. Title: Exploring Soil Conservation. Hello, everyone. Today, we embark on a journey to understand how we can protect our precious soil. Imagine heavy rains making your garden disappear. That's erosion. We'll discover ways to stop this from happening and keep our land healthy and happy. Introduction. Erosion is like nature giving the land a little trim, but too much of it can be a problem. It's when soil gets carried away by rain or blown by the wind. We need to take care of erosion because it's important for the health of our environment. In this session, we'll explore why it happens and what we can do about it. Types of erosion. Think of soil erosion like a puzzle being moved around by nature. Rain, rivers, and wind are the players in this puzzle game. Rain can wash away the pieces, and the wind can blow them into the air. Understanding these different ways helps us figure out how to prevent our soil from going on an unexpected journey. Causes of erosion. Let's become detectives. Deforestation, too many hungry animals, and building too much can be the reasons soil disappears. We'll unravel these mysteries to understand why they make soil vanish and explore ways to put a stop to it. Effects of erosion. When soil goes missing, it creates a chain reaction of problems. Plants struggle to grow, water becomes dirty, and animals lose their homes. We'll delve into the effects of erosion so we can work together to protect our land and everything that calls it home. Best practices for erosion control. Plants are like superheroes for soil. We'll uncover some cool tricks like planting special crops, making steps on hills, and using blankets for the ground. These tricks act as protectors, ensuring our soil stays in place and remains healthy. Vegetative solutions. Plants are our allies against erosion. We'll explore using special plants that act like superheroes, holding the soil together. It's like giving the land a cozy, green blanket to snuggle in, ensuring it stays secure. Structural solutions. Engineers are like architects for the land. They've come up with smart ideas to keep our soil safe from erosion. One powerful solution is building retaining walls. Picture them like sturdy bodyguards that stand strong, holding the soil back, especially on sloping areas. It's like creating a fortress for our land. Another superhero-like solution is the use of check dams. Imagine these as friendly barriers strategically placed along rivers or streams. They slow down the water flow, giving it a chance to drop the soil it's carrying. It's like having little traffic cops directing the water and preventing it from carrying away our precious soil. And then, there's the trusty silt fence. Think of it as a shield against soil movement. These fences are like magic barriers that catch loose soil and stop it from traveling too far. It's like putting up a fence to protect our land from the wind's attempts to carry the soil away. By using these structural solutions, we're giving our soil extra protection, almost like suiting up in superhero gear. It ensures our land stays strong and resilient against the forces that try to make it move. So, thanks to engineers and their clever ideas, our soil gets a superhero makeover. Sustainable land management. Sustainable land management is akin to taking care of a pet. It involves using the land wisely to keep it healthy. We'll discuss how farmers and planners can be good caretakers for our precious soil, ensuring its well-being for the future. Case studies. Let's dive into real-life stories of places that successfully tackled their erosion problems. We'll witness and learn valuable lessons from these soil-saving heroes. Community involvement. Great news! We can all be heroes too. We'll explore how our community can work together to combat erosion, forming a team of superheroes right in our own town. Conclusion. As we wrap up, let's remember the key points: planting plants, building walls, and working together. It's like creating a superhero team to ensure our soil stays safe and sound.
Welcome to our presentation. Today, we embark on an exploration of potable water, a scarce resource. Together, we'll unravel the significance of clean water and why it is crucial for our lives. Introduction. Water is not just a liquid, it's a lifeline. It sustains us, quenching our thirst and supporting various activities. However, not all water is created equal, and being mindful of the water we consume is essential to our well-being. What is potable water? Potable water, or water that is safe to drink, is a cornerstone of a healthy life. From the water we drink to its use in everyday tasks, ensuring its cleanliness is paramount for our health and vitality. The water cycle. Imagine a fascinating journey: water evaporating into the sky, forming clouds, and returning to earth as rain. This wondrous process, known as the water cycle, underscores the importance of clean water in the natural order. Why is water scarce? The world's demand for water is escalating, and environmental changes add complexity to finding clean water sources. Understanding why water can be scarce is a critical step in addressing this global challenge. Where does our water come from? Our water has origins in rivers, lakes, and hidden wells beneath the Earth's surface. Safeguarding these sources is our responsibility to maintain a consistent supply of clean water. Water pollution. Human activities, whether disposing of waste in rivers or industrial operations, can lead to water pollution. Recognizing and addressing these issues are imperative for preserving the health of our water ecosystems. Consequences of water scarcity. When clean water is scarce, it has far-reaching consequences, impacting the health of people, animals, and plants alike. Utilizing water wisely becomes paramount in averting potential crises. What can we do? Small actions add up to significant change. Turning off taps, fixing leaks, and using water judiciously are simple yet impactful ways we can contribute to the conservation of this precious resource. Importance of clean water. Clean water is not just a luxury, it's a necessity for good health. Its role in supporting human life, as well as the well-being of animals and plants, underscores its status as a vital resource. Fun water facts. Water, covering most of the earth, is a marvel in itself. Its unique properties and abundance make it an intriguing subject, and learning about water adds to our appreciation of the world around us. Conclusion. In conclusion, clean water is the cornerstone of our existence. Reflecting on its importance inspires us to take proactive steps in water conservation and cleanliness. Thank you. A heartfelt thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey into the realm of clean water. Remember, in taking care of water, we are also taking care of ourselves and our planet.
Introduction. Hi, everyone. Today, we're talking about something super important: water. Water is like a superhero for our bodies. It keeps us healthy and helps us grow. But, we have to make sure our water is clean and safe to drink. Just like we take care of ourselves, we need to take care of our water too. Sources of drinking water. So, where does our water come from? Well, it comes from different places like rivers, lakes, and even from underground. These places are like special water homes. But, if we don't take care of these places, our water can get dirty. That's why we need to be water protectors. Water pollution. Sometimes, things we don't want in our water, like garbage and chemicals, can find their way in. That's called water pollution. Water pollution is like when our water gets sick. When water is sick, it's not safe for us to drink. We don't want that. Common pollutants. What are the troublemakers that make our water sick? Well, there are things like plastics, chemicals, and waste. These are like the villains in our water story. When these villains get into our water, they can make it not good for us. But, don't worry, we can be heroes and stop them. Ways to safeguard drinking water. Alright, water heroes. We're going to explore some awesome methods to keep our water safe. Are you ready? Method 1, Filtration. Imagine a big sieve that catches tiny things. Filtration is like that sieve for water. It catches the small stuff that we don't want in our water. It's like a superhero shield that only lets clean water through. Method 2, Boiling. Have you ever seen bubbles when water gets really hot? Boiling is like making water take a hot bath. When we boil water, it kills the germs and makes the water safe to drink. It's like a magic potion that makes water healthy. Method 3, Using chemicals. Sometimes, we can add special chemicals to water that help clean it up. These chemicals are like tiny cleaners that work hard to remove the bad stuff. It's like having a team of little superheroes in the water. Method 4, UV treatment. Have you heard about sunlight being good for us? Well, it's also good for our water. UV treatment is like letting the sunshine clean our water. It zaps away the germs, making the water safe and happy. Method 5, Protecting watersheds. A watershed is like a giant playground for water. It's where water comes from and where it hangs out. We need to take care of these playgrounds. Planting trees, keeping trash away, and not disturbing the land around watersheds are ways to protect them. Method 6, Rain barrels. Rain is like a gift from the sky, and we can collect it. Rain barrels are big containers that catch rainwater. We can use this rainwater for plants or other things. It's like having a special water-saving treasure just for us. Method 7, Educating everyone. Knowledge is power. Educating everyone about the importance of water and how to keep it safe is a powerful method. When we all know how to protect our water, we become a team of water heroes working together. Keep it clean, tips for students. How can you be a water hero every day? Well, you can keep your surroundings clean. Throw trash in the trash cans, not in the water. It's like being a superhero and saving the day by keeping everything tidy. Every little action counts. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Another way to be a water hero is by using less stuff and not wasting things. That's called reducing. If you can use something again or recycle it, that's like giving the earth a big hug. It keeps our planet happy and our water clean. Water conservation. We've got to use water wisely. It's like a special treasure. Every drop of water is important, and we don't want to waste it. So, when you brush your teeth or wash your hands, remember to turn off the tap. Little actions add up to big water-saving adventures. Protecting water sources. Protecting our water sources is like protecting their homes. We don't want to throw things into their homes that don't belong there. It's important to keep our water homes clean and safe. That way, our water stays happy, and so do we. Treatment plants. Did you know there are special places that clean our water? They're like water doctors. These places make sure our water is healthy before we drink it. They use amazing methods to remove any ickness from the water. So, when you drink water, you can thank these water heroes. Conclusion. Wow, we learned a lot about keeping our water safe today. Each of you can be a water hero in your own way. So, let's remember what we talked about and be water heroes together. We can do it.